Hello guys, whatever we had studied previously, that is the predicate logic and the propositional logic. Today in this lecture we'll see what actually the resolution is, that is the definition of resolution. Okay, what actually the resolution mean? See, it is a procedure which gain its efficiency from fact that it operates on statement that we have been converted to the convenient standard form. This means that converting the sentence into predicate logic statement using that statement will prove something. Based on that, system has to decide something. Okay, so the procedure to get this happen is called the resolution. See, the resolution produces proof by refutation. Means, in other words, to prove the statement, resolution attempts to show the negation of statement which produce a contradiction with the known statement. Okay, it is a procedure to find what to do and what not to do for our system. Okay, when we try to find the resolution for the particular statement, it has to follow some basic steps, or we can say it as there are some basic steps which are included in this procedure. Okay, the first procedure or first step in this procedure, we'll call it as the negation of the what we have to prove actually. Okay, means to negate the statement which has to be proved. The second step in this procedure is to convert the available fact into first order logic or the predicate logic. Okay, whatever data we are available with, we have to convert all that data into the first order logic or the predicate logic, or we can say it as the logical statements. Okay, the third step after converting the facts into the predicate logic, the third step we need to convert that predicate logic or the logical statement into the CNF, that is causal normal form. What is causal normal form, we'll see later, but in this step we have to convert all these logical statement into CNF, that is causal normal form. Okay, and after this third step we will find the resolution. Okay, these are the four basic steps which are included in the procedure when we try to find the resolution for the particular statement. See, when we talk about the resolution, it is a way how we prove something, and when we try to prove a particular thing, it needs some information which will call it as the available fact. Okay, we are having with, so based on this information, that is fact, for the particular problem we have to build solution of proof. Okay, so from reading and understanding of data to final proof which we have to find at all, this procedure is called as the resolution for the particular statement. Okay, hope you got this. So this is all about the resolution. Thank you.